Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can cancel your Amazon Prime Video subscription, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I am on the PC version, and I'll be explaining for the PC website version only. However, you can use whichever version you want, and I'm pretty sure you can do it through any device possible. I'm 100% sure you can do this through the PC and through the mobile versions. However, I'm not 100% sure on the TVs and other devices, but you should be able to very easily. But without further ado, let's get right into it. What you need to do, at least on PC, is hover over your profile name, then go into account and settings, and then you'll log into this page. Now, you might be prompted to use your credentials to log in again if your session has run out, and to just confirm that it is you that is using this account. And then, as you can see, you get this details page where you can have or edit your details, and then you have your membership details as well as your payment method. All you have to do to cancel your membership or cancel your subscription is click here on end membership, and that should be pretty much it. Now, I'm pretty sure that when you cancel your membership, if you cancel it before the next due date or the charge date, as you can see for me it's 20th of July, you can continue using it until that date and your subscription will be valid, and that's pretty much it. Once you've canceled, after that period goes over, your membership will be revoked and you won't be able to use the Prime Video platform anymore, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.